Assist the child to build the bar of 10 by placing unit one by one and also write their numbers respectively. Write counting from 1 to 10. First of all, we make a 1 unit down 1. Second unit round, slant, straight 2 cube. Third unit third block round, round. 4 unit 4 block down, straight, down. 5 unit down, put here 5 block down, round, straight 5. 6 unit 6 block 6 slant, round. Take the 7 unit 7 block straight, slant. 8 unit semicircle, round, slant, round. 8 9 semicircle, up, down. 10 unit down, circle. 10